Okay, so we're out in the backyard with angry dog CiCi, going berserk because there is a hot air balloon in the sky and she is not happy. And came right over our house. We could even wave at the people and see them, and she is inconsolable. How she is concerned about that, we have no idea, but she hates them. It's an issue. Here she comes again. I wish on this camera you could see the fur on her back standing up. Can you see the fur on her back standing up? She is ticked. And she's peeing.
There she is.
Peeing. Gotta take a pee break when you're angry sometimes. And it's super far away now, but she's still mad. That is CiCi getting mad at the air balloon. The end of her small little world. CiCi! Come! CiCi, want a treat?